Hello friends, my name is Pratiksha Raut. Today we will study the topic mnemonics of structure of compound, in which we study the drugs acting on the CNS. So let's study it. So in drugs acting on CNS, there is a one category of drug. Actually, it is many category of drugs. One of it is a anticonvulsant. So in anticonvulsant, we study the miscellaneous compound, in which for example we will take, that is levetiracetam, valproic acid, and gabapentine and philbamate. Then first structure, that is levetiracetam. So levetiracetam name indicates the structure of drug. Acetam indicates the analog of picarectin, and Am indicates the amide group. So these two are the keywords for the structure of levetiracetam. So acetam is indicates the analog of picarectin. So if we observe the structure of piracetam as well as levetiracetam, so we observe the almost the structure is same. So IUPAC name of the levetiracetam is 2 oxopyrrolidine -1 -yl bracket completed butanamide. So question arises, how to draw the structure of levetiracetam. So levetiracetam includes two main rings, so oxopyrrolidine and butanamide. So first step to draw the levetiracetam structure is draw pyrrolidine ring at which add oxo group in the second position. Then second step is attach butanamide to the end of the oxopyrrolidine. Then next drug is a valproic acid. Valproic acid name, in which PR indicates the propyl group. Again same, P in the PR group indicates the pentanoic group, and acid word in the valproic acid indicates the COH group, that is acidic group. So these are the keywords of drawing the valproic acid. So let's study the IUPAC name of the valproic acid. IUPAC name of the valproic acid is 2-propyl pentanoic acid. So mainly in the valproic acid, two rings are involved, or two groups are involved, that is propyl group as well as pentanoic acid. Then how to draw the structure of valproic acid? First of all, draw two structures of propane. Then draw structure of ethanoic acid. Last carbon of the propane attached to the first carbon of the ethanoic acid will give the valproic acid structure. Then third structure is a gabapentine, or third drug used as a miscellaneous compound in which it acts on the CNS. So gabapentine, the GABA name indicates it includes the structure of neurotransmitter GABA. So GABA word indicates GABA structure. A letter in the GABA indicates the amino group present in this structure, and also second A indicates the acetic acid present in this gabapentine. So IUPAC name of the gabapentine is 1- in bracket aminomethyl bracket completed cyclohexane acetic acid. So according to the IUPAC name, here the amino group methyl cyclohexane as well as acetic acid is involved. So how to draw the structure? Here the simple way to draw the structure, that is first of all draw GABA structure in which is attached to the cyclohexane at the para position will give the gabapentine structure. Gabapentine structure is very easy to draw by according to using this technique. Then last drug act as a miscellaneous compound in the category of anticonvulsant is philbamate. Mate word in the last drug names philbamate indicates the carbate structure, and phenl indicates the phenyl ring. Fail, according to the our pronunciation, we remember trig as a phenyl ring. So these two are the keywords, that is mate and fail. Mate means carbamate group, fail means phenyl ring. These two are the keywords for the remembering filament structure. So IUPAC name of the filament given by two ways. First we will see the first IUPAC name. So dash so in bracket 3 dash carbamoyl oxy dash 2 dash phenyl propyl carbamate, or 2 dash phenyl dash 1 comma 3 propanediol. This name is given according to the IUPAC name. So how to draw the structure of filament? First of all, we have to understand the group involved in the filament. That is, there are total three groups involved, that is carboxy, phenyl as well as carbamate. First of all, draw the structure of 1,3-propanediol. Then attach phenyl ring at the second position of carbon. Let's summarize what is studied in this topic. So first, miscellaneous compound in which four structure mnemonics are we are studied. So that is levetiracetam, valproic acid, and gabapentine, and filament. So levetiracetam, all all these are um, all these compounds involve the heterocyclic link except that valproic acid. So thank you friends.